pertama kali di Mesir. Ini keadaan di Kairo. Ini pemandangan dari hostel. Dari ini adalah Sungai Nil yang sudah lama-lama saya impikan. Sungai Nil. Ini ada Museum Egypt. Pokoknya banyak lah yang bisa dilihat di sini. Oke, ini Sungai Nil.
Sometimes homemade, sometimes rent.
Okay.
Some people get in the
This is new apartment, right? New building. And is it owned by big company or?
No.
Private. So actually you have a lot of money. You can build this big.
Big.
For immigration, they ask me how much money you have. I say I don't have money, but I have car. But you have to bring dollar. I won't bring dollar, but I can take my money, in ATM with my card. I say my Indonesian card is work everywhere.
Ah.
Okay, this is ini museum paling ini piramid paling pertama dibuat. Step sampai ini kawasan piramidnya. Oke. Ini banyak yang nawarin unta juga. Tapi ya sebaiknya jalan lagi karena harganya.
Where you can pray or worship God بتاعه. At the time was not necessary to go to the temple to pray. If you wanna pray for God بتاعه, according to the ancient Egyptian beliefs, you can do it anywhere. In your field, in your home, anywhere. Okay, for that they give this name for all the land of Egypt. حدقة بتاعه. Yeah, and then we believe that the modern English name derived from the name of this temple. حدقة بتاعه developed. إيكو بتاعه Egypt بتاعه Egypto Egypt. Again was حدقة بتاعه إيكو بتاعه Egypt بتاعه Egypto Egypt. Okay, the temple completely destroyed, and all those statues were displaying there.
When it was destroyed?
The temple in that direction destroyed maybe after during the Roman time.
Okay.
Yeah, because the pharaohs, the Ptolemy's pharaohs paid a lot of money for the high priestess to restore the temple. We know that. Okay, when they discovered the Rosetta Stone, which is playing in British Museum at London, okay, and with Champollion, Francois Champollion succeeded to translate it, we understood that it written during the Greek period. That means that the temple was exist during the Greek period, but destroyed later. Okay, all those here broken. Hieroglyphic text.
Table of Apris.
Yes, tablet of Apris. Apris was the king of Egypt during the 26th dynasty. Here you can see hieroglyphic again. Where do you think we read or write the ancient Egyptian hieroglyphic? From right to left, like Arabic from left to right?
I think from bottom to up. Is that right?
No.
No.
You choose the
always.
only wrong way.
Because normally from left to right and Arab from right to left and Chinese they put up and down and this.
And ancient Egyptians did the three languages.
Oh my
From
God.
right to left, from left to right, from up to down.
And how can you differentiate that?
Yes, this is the question. How we know? Actually,
How do we know?
It wasn't like a magic, not the same text to read from there or here. No, everyone depends on the faces of the birds or humans, animals. If they are facing to left, we have to read them from left to right.
Okay.
If they are facing to right, we have to read them from right to left. If they are written in columns, we read them from up to down. Okay, each one have one direction. Why? Because the ancient Egyptians want to make symmetrical. Like what? For example, laying the water for many years, as I told you. Okay, the body is around 8 meters and 4 meters high. Represented
8
the
and
lion,
4.
yes,
Okay.
represented the king in a lion body with a human head. That means the king is very strong as a lion, and human head means he has wisdom like human. Yes, I'm very strong as a lion, but I am not aggressive as an animal. I can use my power to do useful things for my people, for my nation. This
Okay.
is the meaning. Okay, and they always represented the lion body in sitting position with its front paws out.
Why they put in a sitting position? Okay.
When do you think is a lion sit?
During the night or during the day?
Okay, during the day, but when?
After eating.
After eating,
Yeah.
that means
Where you
no
enjoy your
problem,
time.
no
Yes.
problem. I'm
Yeah, just
relaxing,
sitting. Yeah.
just sitting. It's the same meaning. Okay, everything is okay. We have no problems, and I'm relaxing too.
Okay.
Okay, this is the meaning. This position. I'm
Okay.
relaxing. Don't worry.
Don't afraid.
Yes,
Don't be
be
afraid. Okay.
We are in safe. We don't need problems or make problems.
And there.
That statue for King Ramses the Great. Ramses the Great, granite statue represented him with white crown of Upper Egypt, with fake beard, sign of royalty, with the royal kilt indeed with his left leg forwards. Okay, they asked why they represented the pharaohs with left leg forwards. You've been Egyptian museum or not yet?
Not yet.
And you don't have enough time to visit.
Not. I think it's next week I will have.
Inshallah.
I mean, inshallah.
Okay. Here they believe that left leg forward, this reflects his high position as a great and powerful king.
Left forward as.
Left
Yeah,
forward.
yeah, I know. Yes.
Yes.
That's mean.
Yes.
Meaning what you said?
Some saying this military position, some saying no, some said no. This probably reflects his high position as a great and powerful king. Why they believe that? Because they discovered some statues for the main gods
They put it.
with the same position too.
Okay.
Would you like the one photo here?
Yes. I think.
Okay, I can take you one photo, then give you time.
Yeah. My hand.
This, I think this is the video.
Video? What's the video?